How to find flash deals on AliExpress. It's pretty simple and a quick process, so let's get started. You need to start by heading over to your application AliExpress, and then enter a login credential and log into your specific account. Once you have been logged in, right here, you need to swipe left. Tons of different options will be visible to you. Click on Welcome Deals. It will land you on space. Tons of different offers and discounts will be visible to you for the welcome deals. Try purchasing from this section and save some amount. Not only this, you can go back and then head over to this section at the very top. In this page, you'll be able to find top deals. Look for the types of items that you want to purchase. Tap on View More in order to see more items. Click on any one of it that you want to purchase. You will be able to see tons of different offers and discounts. If you want to purchase, tap on Buy Now. Follow the on-screen process and you'll be good to go. So that's the wrap for this video. If it was helpful, give it a like and check out our next tutorial. Thank you.